All right, traders, good morning. This is Miami Trade Floor with Good Morning Forex. Going to discuss today's trade of the day for December 2nd, 2010. We took this trade using the 15-minute formula. Now, as a reminder, we do have our online trade room 5 days a week starting at 7 a.m. Eastern, where our focus in the trade room is to trade as a team and to focus on the four corners of information, which include money management, trading psychology, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. Now, as traders, we do like having a balance, and we find the most important of those four is the trading psychology. Then afterwards comes management, which includes money management and trade management. Afterwards is fundamental analysis, which is knowing what's going on in regards to market sentiment, also news reports, as well as when large officials such as Bernanke or Trichet are speaking. Today, Trichet affected our trade, which we'll discuss that in a little bit. And next is technical analysis, being able to read your charts correctly and use them at the right time. So if any of you are interested in getting a 5-day free access to our room, just visit us at goodmorningforex.com/Facebook or goodmorningforex.com/YouTube. Now, with that, traders, if you want to receive a full-size, high-definition photo of this trade that we're going to be discussing today, visit us at goodmorningforex.com. Under the market analysis section, we go to the technical analysis, and you'll be able to see our charts there. Now, let's get into this trade today, traders. We did take this trade on euro-dollar. We didn't announce this in the room because we had some other pending trades in the room, so we didn't want to confuse the traders or have them taking multiple positions. But we see that today's trade, I was able to pull out between 30 and 50 points on this trade. We did let it ride afterwards, and it came for more points. We left our stop loss at a positive 20, and it came up even higher. It actually did a full retracement of this level, where we see it above this area currently. This is a photograph of the trade. Here on this 15-minute formula, we can see that our channel indicator is right here as well on the bottom side. We also have our L7 simple moving average in purple and our L1, L2, L3 simple moving averages up here as well. As well, we have a Bollinger Band, which we saw we came outside of that Bollinger Band. We didn't close under the L7, which is a good sign for a bounce. And as well, we saw our MACDs crossing over and our stochastic RSI starting to come over as well, signaling more movement. And we saw this trade come at least to this area afterwards. Now, once we did take initial profits, this trade did move pretty quick for us. It took around 30 minutes to move. This is a 15-minute chart. And we started taking profits between the 35 and the 50-point area. And then we left it at plus 25 pips stop loss when it came to higher levels as well, traders. Now, in these charts, traders, we like to use a mix of what we call lagging indicators, which are these that are up here. Also, the MACD is the lagging indicator. Most people have that confused. We use leading indicator, which is our RSI, stochastic. And we also like using a dynamic indicator, which would be the channel indicator that we have up here. So we in our charts like to have a mix of all different types of technical analysis, just so that we don't get caught in just one way of thinking. See that it's very important to have a well-balanced trading system. And the number one thing is to make sure that we understand the fundamental analysis of what's going on. Now, today at 10 in the morning, we did have some ISM housing data coming out, which was better than expected. Or, excuse me, traders, it wasn't ISM, it was pending home sales data. So at this time, around 8:30, we saw that that unemployment claims came out worse than expected, so it continued to drop. At the same time, there was an ECB press conference with Trichet, which triggered this to come to the downside. That we saw this come up as well, just off the bounce, because this could be a dead cat bounce. But We saw that pending home sales came out much better than expected. The forecast was negative 0.7, and it came out to positive 10.4. So it actually helped push these risk pairs up higher than expected. We saw them come up to these levels, traders. And we were able to pull out some really nice points out of this trade, traders. So that's what we're basically trying to do every day. And usually, on these non-farm payroll weeks, which non-farm payroll is the first Friday of every month, I usually, after Wednesday, I usually trade lighter. I use typically 3 to 1 to around 5 to 1 leverage, and today and tomorrow I will be using 2 to 1 leverage, trading a lot lighter, just because this market likes to shake people out during these days. So I definitely lighten up my trading for the last 2 days of the first week of the month. Now, as a reminder, if any of you would like to participate in our room, visit us at goodmorningforex.com/YouTube, and you can get a free 5-day access pass to our room. As well, you can come here to the website, click on Technical Analysis under Market Analysis, and be able to see these trades of the day in video format and also in JPEG. Now, with that, traders, I would also like to give you our U.S. phone number, which is 786-286-8089. Again, it's area code 786-286-8089. In case you want any more information and would like to follow up with us, just give us a call. But with that, traders, this brings us to a close for our Trade of the Day session. And if you have any questions, just contact us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you, traders, and confident trades.